Pinch, pinch, pinch. Okay.
Jordan, why is Alyssa the best babysitter ever?
Why am I the best babysitter ever?
Okay, stop for a minute and tell me why Alyssa is the best babysitter ever.
She is, because she babysits me every time.
Or never before, but
Never before.
what does she do that makes her the best babysitter ever?
Watch TV with me.
Okay. So do I.